Hello guys, my name is Pav Yadav and welcome to my channel. So my channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I'm going to show you the one website where I can publish my company business information. The website name is Crunchbase. So this is a highly trusted and the popular website in a USA market. Anywhere if you want to market your businesses, so make sure you have to publish your uh, businesses in Crunchbase website. Kind of things websites, this kind of type of the websites you have to list your businesses. So I can show you. So this is a website and the you have to see this guy. This website domain authority is 91 and the page authority is 73 and the spam score is 0. So how you can log in this website? So first thing you have to going for the click on the login option, and after that you have to click for the registered section, and you can fill your information, email id and the password and the last first name, and after that you are able to easily register in this website. Okay, so once you complete this task, and once you complete this task, then after that I can show you um, how we can optimize our profile, and then after that how we can list our businesses. Okay, so once you register on your once you okay, once you registered your information in this website, then after that you are redirect in this section. So we can click on our profile, then you have to edit your social authentication. Once you connect this authentication, okay, sorry. So then after that you guys are able to update your profile information and your company details. Okay, so now if there are any other things to need to optimize, so we can do. So for the my case, we are providing businesses in Surrey, in California, Canada, this kind of country, and this kind of a location we are providing services. So I have listed in this section, and you have to add your industry, which type of industry your company are willing. So you have to mention your industry information, and you can add your number of the employees in your company with your company. Okay, so this is our, we are completed these things. Then after that you guys can going to add your first list. So you can click on companies section. Okay, then after that you can click add a column. Yeah, once you update your all the things, then after that you can going for your company section, verify your don't your company. You can click on your verify your company. Then after that you guys are able to search your company. If you are not if you are feeling any errors while searching any your company names, so you guys can going for the others things also. Yeah, I got it. Where I can find the option to I can list my company information. So you guys can going for the resources section. Then after that you can create for click for the create profile. Then after that you guys are redirected for this section, then you have to click for the company option. Okay, so now we are successfully find where we can list our company information. Okay, so first thing we have, we can upload our company logo. So we are done this, then you have to add your company name. Then you can add your description. So we can copy this description content in our website, through our website. Okay, this is more than extra content. Okay, so in your also known section you can add your company name. Legal name is Kara Security Group. Founded year, to we are, our company are registered in 2015. Month we don't know which month we are closed. Not number of employees, we have around 215. Company type profit, for profit. Website URL, you have to add your website URL. And if you guys have your Facebook pages, so you have to add on your Facebook information, Facebook profile information. For the my case we don't have right now, so I can skip this. So we are added our contact details, then we can add our full description. So we can add our headquarters address name, Kara Security Group. So the office add, then we have to add this AV postal code. So the AV postal code. So we are added our one location, then okay, industry, which kind of industry we are providing services for. Security. Security guards, there is any other cyber security, network security, cloud. So we are added all the information, then we can click for the save all edits. Then after that we can see there are errors in the edits you are trying to submit. Click the pencil icon and each them review and address issues, then submit your details again. So we are submitted the our address detail is wrong, then we can see our profile is updated. Yeah, so you have to see this, guys. We are successfully added our business information in this website Crunchbase. So you can see this message, your edit have been submitted. They may take a few minutes to appear. Okay, so this website can take some time while your business while our company information reviewing this website can review review our website information. Then after that they can publish in our in this website. Okay, so once you done this all the things, then you have to optimize your profile and other things, which kind of activity you want to publish in this website. If you want to add your publish your events, any kind of events your company are doing, so you guys are able to do that in this website. So if you guys watching till and, so thanks for the watching guide, and please subscribe my channel. If you have anything concern, anything suggestion for me, so you guys can share your thoughts on a comment section. And also I will provide my social media details. If you want to connect me separately, so you can find my social media details in a description section. Okay guys, so thanks for the watching again, and please subscribe my channel because I needed your help. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.